Hi there! I am here today to show you step by step how you activate your Windows Azure benefits that are already included in your MSDN subscription. You will be able to activate your own dev test environment in the cloud, which you can use for so many cool things and become a really cool dancing superhero like the man to the right here. My name is Magnus Martinsson, and I'm a Windows Azure Most Valuable Pilot. If you have any questions on this whatsoever, do feel free to contact me anytime. I will help you out. Let me first give you just a little bit of background, and then I will show you step by step how to do this activation. Now, cloudy stuff can seem kind of scary. Some people are as afraid of new changes in the moving to the cloud as they were from the horseless carriages that were started to appear about a century ago. These were automobiles, right? They were carriages that were able to automatically be mobile on their own. Scary stuff, right? I mean, seriously, scary stuff. Or you can just go ahead and try to ignore the problem and look really constipated, but it's not going to help you anything. Because eventually you will come to terms with this. You will realize, oh my god, the cloud is freaking awesome. That is so cool. And sure enough, ladies and gentlemen, in the end, it will all be cloud. There is no turning back. So, the cool things about the cloud are things like you will only pay for what you use. Actually, Windows Azure has gone so far as to have the bill say that if you auto-scale, if you add auto-scaling to your services that you are running, here's how much you will save every month. That is just brilliant that they will take the bill to have out of his time to do these things for us. Very nice. Now, as a developer, of course, what you want is your own development environment. You don't want to go to IT and request a server and so forth. You will have everybody with an MSDN subscription already has this today. You can just go and use your development environment in the cloud every day that you work and just test out anything you like for free, or, well, included, I suppose, in the MSDN subscription that you're already paying for. In the evening when you go home, you just shut down your systems and you're not running anything in the cloud and it's just gone. It doesn't cost you anything at all. And the cool thing about the cloud, of course, is that they have things like per minute billing and a really good discount on running services on your dev test environments. It's amazing, actually. And now, do pay attention, ladies and gentlemen, you can also win a car. And I realize how much I sound like a used car salesman right now, but this is not a used car, for Christ's sake. If you go and activate your MSDN benefits now for Windows Azure, you will be able to enter this contest. You can either scan the QR code here or please use my link there because I also get some extra points in our internal competition if you do. So use my link and activate now. You will also automatically be entered into the Aston Martin competition to win an Aston Martin Vantage V8. That is so cool. Now, enough talking, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go and activate this thing. Again, click on my link to activate Windows Azure. You come to this site and you hit Activate, the Activate button. You sign in with the Microsoft account, formerly known as Live ID, into the portal here to access the benefits activation. Now you have to log in with the Microsoft account that has your MSDN subscription connected to it. There is a mobile verification step that you need to go through. Send an SMS to your phone, enter the verification code, and then you must accept the agreement, and you hit the purchase button. That is it. Now, seriously, folks, this won't take but a few seconds. And when you come in here, you can see your new subscription activated in there. It's called Visual Studio Premium with MSDN. I will always advise everybody to click in there and go and edit the name of the subscription. Write something that makes sense to you, and so that when it shows up in the portal, you know exactly which subscription this is, because the other name is so very generic. Congratulations! You have now completed all the steps you needed to activate Windows Azure. You have your own dev test environment in the cloud already. Now there is just one more thing that you will need to do to actually be entered into the car contest, and I will show you this in the next step of this video. First, I just want to show you how freaking cool you will look in the future.
This is a really good car.
Isn't that just freaking awesome? Now it's time to go and complete the final step of your contest entry. And that is to click the portal link inside of the accounts page you were on previously, and that will take you to the Windows Azure portal. Now you have to actually try and this out and deploy something to be entered into the contest. We will go and hit the first option, the website, and I will create ourselves a brand new website in here for the deployment that we're going to be doing. And I will show you actually how to connect this website up with the Team Foundation service where I have a project that I want to deploy. Once this website is created, you can browse to it. You can see that it is publicly available on the internet now, but there is nothing there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click in here in the management console and connect up to my Team Foundation service. Now I do urge you to go and activate your own Team Foundation service. I have mine called magnus.visualstudio.com. You could use your company name or your own name and create your Team Foundation service today. Once this thing is linked up, as you can see here, it says that this will be automatically deployed from Team Foundation service on the next check-in. I have a small website here. You saw it at the beginning of this video segment. A very small website, just as simple as that. I make a trivial change and I go ahead and do a check-in on this trivial change just to launch that deployment. So I'm done in Visual Studio now. Things are checked in. So I will go back and wait for the deployment. I will go ahead and browse over to magnus.visualstudio.com, hit my Aston Martin web project, and go into the builds and see this build while it's happening. With the magic of cutting, I will jump forward a little bit in time here so that we won't have to look at this because it takes about 2 minutes to complete. The reason that it does that is that it's being very thorough. It's compiling my code, it's running all my tests, and if everything is okay, then it goes ahead and pushes this change into my website. Once this is done, I can go now back to the portal and browse to this thing again. You can see that there is now a deployment in fact in place. If I go to the dashboard, I can click the link to go to the site, and it's not refreshed because it's cached in my browser. When I hit refresh, my website is now live on the internet, folks. This is it. Now you're done. Now you're actually entered into the contest. And that also means that you now have your Windows Azure activation, so you have your really cool development environment in the sky, which you can just go and use today. It is really inevitable to be in the cloud. Everybody will be there, so go and be awesome. And it's time to change these old wheels to some new wheels. Alright, enter the contest because it's really cool, and I'm not even sure why I'm telling you this because the car is going to be mine. I'm going to win this lottery. It is a lottery. Anybody could win, but I'm totally going to win it. And why am I telling more people actually? Wait a minute. If I tell more people, I will have a less chance. Alright, go and have fun, guys, and this will be you. You will be awesome, and if you need anything, you call me. Bye-bye.